What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. And it has been a long time since we did a video on the Ram. So here we are doing a video on the Ram. So a company reached out to me last year to send me a set of pretty sick headlights. These are sequential, I think that's how you say it, headlights. They do some cool, fancy little things that you'll probably be interested in. And that's why I said yes. So they didn't give me any brand information. They didn't give me a website yet. I just reached out for all that information. You know, as one would when you're doing an install video for a company, you wait last minute to have all the information on the day that you're making the video. So no information quite yet, but I will post it down here once they do have it, and hopefully they'll send me a logo so I can put in a video as well. Let's get straight to the unboxing, which I kind of did already. All right, so we got this big generic box that got delivered randomly. Like I said, this video was supposed to be last year, but the package got lost and now we have it. So let's get rid of those boring freaking headlights, even though I do have some really bright LEDs in it. So I am curious on how they're gonna compare with these. And if you see the Silverado in the background with these split 622s, we are going to be getting back to this. I just took a little break on it because I was spread pretty thin. I was doing a lot and I needed some time to kind of recoup. But the engine is coming out today and that will be all in a different video. All right, so here we have these headlights. As you can see, we have this little LED bar that goes around it, some two LED lights in the middle, and they do look pretty awesome, I'm not going to lie. We're going to install these today and show you guys how they work. But first, we had to take the old ones out. These old, boring, stock lights.
Life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
So in order to take these out, which this one is already broken because I've taken them out so many times, you don't have to remove the grill. We might remove the grill just because these lights came undone, and yeah. But anyways, you got a 10 millimeter here, and right down there you have a 10 millimeter also. And this is the one that actually broke on this headlight. And then you have a connector in the back that kind of connects in there. That might, as you know, might be broken also. Give you a good look so you can see the differences. You got the high beam down here, a low beam up here, and they're just a normal typical bulb, nothing special. And like it would, it's starting to rain, but we're going to go ahead and start pulling these headlights off anyways. So far it's plug and play. Got these two connectors right here. We're gonna kind of zoom in on this headlight a little bit. Let's zoom out and we'll see what it does. It kind of looks like the connectors are both the same, so might have this backwards. Maybe I got it right. Damn, look at those. Honestly, they look pretty awesome. I haven't done much to the Ram because I'm kind of tired of it. You know, it's like a daily driver thing. I've been more focused on race car stuff. The other, I wouldn't consider that a project car, but it is a car we bought from auction for my fiance to drive. And the goal is to get rid of car payments so we have more money for stuff like this, you know. But let's go ahead and show you guys the result on these lights. They are sick. One little thing that you need to know, my refresh rate on my iPhone isn't the greatest, so it will flicker. It does not flicker in real time, but maybe I can get a still photo of all the lights on so you can get a little idea on what they look like, but they are definitely awesome. All right, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna start everything up. I'll put it in drive first. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'll put the truck in drive first so you guys can see my daytime running lights and all that stuff the way it looks like that. Then we'll turn the headlights on with the brights. I don't know if you'll notice the brights or not. And then we'll do turn signals. All right, guys, what do you think about that? Also, I got the grill lights working. It was just a ground issue. Those things look sweet. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I don't have any of the company information. I don't have a link to the product or anything like that quite yet. But I will be doing a night test in this video right after this clip. But I just want to let you guys know that all that information will be in the description below. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think of these headlights and if you'll pick them up for your Ram. All I know is I'm pretty happy with them. So the only thing I'm noticing is that the driver's side is low, passenger side is high. Maybe that's just how it's designed. Not sure, but as of right now, they don't seem better than the actual LED bulbs that you put in. Those seem brighter, but we'll see. We're about to head home and see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, well, I mean, it's pretty dark right here leaving my shop. They don't seem too bad. We'll see what the brights do here in a second. I definitely do think my other ones are brighter, but yeah, I don't really notice any difference with the brights. Oh, I guess this is kind of lit too. Well, let's just turn right in here. Oh, they hit way up to the top of the trees up there. See that? I don't know. Might have to take this thing up north, go through some trails, see how it is. They kind of seem really high. So far on a highway, not terrible. But yeah, I think I gotta adjust the lights because the brights. Here, hold on a second. The brights are just kind of shining up. You see the overpass. So you gotta adjust them. But overall, I mean, stylish points, 10 out of 10. And they look awesome. They're definitely something that improves the look of your vehicle. Brightness, honestly, they're not bad. Like I said, my LED bulbs that I had in my stock headlamps, they were brighter, and my windshield is tinted, you know, like 35% or something. So I don't know how well you can, you know, see. So they probably are a little bit brighter than that, but overall they are pretty good. All besides the brights. brights don't do anything on the ground because they're pointing like up there. So I hope some of you guys found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and it is a free way to support the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that bell icon so you guys know when future videos are coming. Real quick, here's a little bonus. But yeah, you can tell this is way too high. You can see the line. The line on top of the trees, like right there. That is, oh my gosh, a washboard. That needs to be a lot lower, and that explains why my brights go way up here. Alright, so definitely make sure that you adjust these headlights as you probably should. But yeah. See if these mud tires will dig. Yep. Don't forget, you can help the channel out by purchasing some merch on our website, www.guydesgarage1.com. Every single penny goes back towards the projects that we're doing. And these are 3 brand new, never before seen, pretty sick shirts that all of you are going to want to rock. So head on over to www.guydesgarage1.com, go to the merch section where you can find these 3 badass shirts.